So this is it. It looks great. It's nice and strong and sturdy. Yeah, it's holding on there great. It included, I think, 6 of these wraparound Velcro straps for cord management. I'm using 3 of them. So everything looks so much neater. They included 3 of these. And then they included one that can actually hold 3 cords. They included the tools that you need and an extra nut and bolt. You don't need any other tools. Looks great, works great, very pleased. Oh, and I'm even able to, there's plenty of room. I think you can even fit 2 surge protectors. It's definitely wide enough that it can fit 2 surge protectors. But I'm using the extra space to hold the like the battery pack for the laptop. That's what this is anyway.